to 3 greeted me. The sister 3 is rooted deep down and it keeps me. The side streets water towards family to everyone who lives around this corner. Open arms around here, no one's a foreigner. It's driving down that road. Same as before, letting everyone know it's still there. The truth is old, just open your ears and hear. Yes, we still hear the same pattern, but always something different. It's like the waves don't want to drown. Sometimes it's hard to swim in that sound. Gotta splash just to let you know I'm around. I think I step out now, no longer looking to be found. See, I don't want to drown, not to those memories, and I think the lake knows. It's making music to the drum of life, and it knows it's humming its way through the night, and it knows the waves we make our impact echoing across this lake. I hope they write us down before I wake, saving these moments to save this taste, memorizing the hit of that quinoa bake. The crash has to come, and it knows. Elope with the shoreline, I like to think it's finally buying baby clothes. That way it's kinda happy now. I think it might be in love, it's finally pushing, showing me it's here, constantly pushing, intention staring clear, telling me, telling you, yes, we still here, as we shift the gears and park. We just gotta use our heads and play our part, use our hearts, cause it might not hurt this time. Hold up, you hear that red start? You feel that sunshine? Learning new things about ourselves, new songs this earth can make. We're intertwined to witness the bloom of this symphony, then recognize it as yours, as mine, it's hers. I hope you can see the picture I try to paint with these words, but maybe there's a few more strokes till you get it. Here the days feel like weeks, but the hours feel like minutes. The dark offers up peace, the silence carries out your sentence. I'll meet y'all at the beach, but damn, these bites itch, so I know I'll get my vengeance. I remember the iron in this water and know that this lake has no heat retention. I hope you hear the copper of these thoughts, the pension from all that pinching, the tension I get from rubbing that golden lake with callous hands, clean it all with polished sand. With y'all, all I want is 3 more wishes. Yeah.